Another day, another vlog. Today we are here sa Aerophone here sa One Ayala in Makati. And we're here to experience yung mga bagong printers na meron ni Bamboo Lab. And of course, in collaboration with Home Credit, later malalaman nyo kung paano ito mabibili at easy installment plans. Ang ganda na pagka-setup ni Bamboo Lab dito sa loob ng Aerophone. And unang impression ko dito is that this is probably the future ng printers. Basically, si Bamboo Lab is a 3D printer. Yung mga nakita mo may ibang printer na nagpiprint sa papel, those are called 2D printer. Ibahin mo to. This one can make you 3D models, like mga anime figures, plus some engineering parts, and probably anything and everything that you can imagine ang dali-dali gawin dito. Meron siyang dedicated software na gagawing 3D yung 2D model mo or 2D picture mo. And sinubukan namin gawin 3D yung Gadget Sidekick na logo, which sobrang natuwa ako and they were able to print it just for me. Sobrang astig talaga nito. And today, nakapag-attend tayo ng free seminar here sa loob ng Bamboo Lab sa Aerophone, and we did learn a lot of things. So right now, habang interview natin ating speaker from Bamboo Lab and yung ating friends from Home Credit. Sir, why do you think ang Bamboo Lab is a great choice para sa mga gusto mag-start ng kanilang mga 3D printing na journey, lalo sa mga beginners?
Bali, si Bamboo Lab kasi siya, sa ngayon, siya yung parang pinakamadaling gamitin na printer sa ngayon. Tapos, parang siya rin yung pinaka-affordable natin. Sa ngayon, safe na brand.
In terms of software, madali naman siya i-navigate.
Opo, mas madali siya i-navigate kasi application na lang po yung gagamitin natin. So, sa application na lang yun. Tapos, lahat ng platforms, sir, pwede po siya. Windows, Mac, Android, tapos iOS, pwede po siya sa.
And ano nga pala ma-expect mga participants today na matututunan nila, and how can they apply it on their 3D printing journey?
Bali, ang tuturo po natin sa ngayon is kung paano po natin i-operate si printer natin, paano po tayo maghanap ng design sa kanya through application, tapos yung mga basic troubleshooting po ng printer po natin.
Okay. And sir, ano mo na rin, no? Let our viewers know kung saan nila pwede mabili yung mga Bamboo Lab na 3D printers.
Bali, ang location po namin, sir, is dito po sa One Ayala Mall, 4th floor po. Sa loob po siya ng Aerophone store po.
Sa Aerophone.
Opo, sir. Okay. Po yung pinaka-studio po namin.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sa mga gustong bumili ng itong Bamboo Lab na printer through Home Credit, paano siya magiging mas affordable, mas accessible sa mga buyers tulad ko?
I think, sir, it's a zero interest and the same time, it's zero down payment for the customer na gustong mag-avail ng Bamboo Lab.
Wow. Zero interest, ha?
Yes, and pwede rin pong is zero down payment.
Hanggang ilang months ang pwede?
Up to 18 months
18 months. Guys, narinig nyo, 18 months for itong Bamboo 3D printer. So, thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay guys, mas madali na gawing realidad ang ideas mo with Bamboo Lab 3D printers. Delivering precision speed and pro-level output, perfect for creators, hobbies, and negosyo starters alike. From detailed prints to multicolor design, swak na swak for bringing your ideas to life. Experience the power of Bamboo Lab A1 Mini plus AMS Lite and Bamboo Lab P1S Combo plus AMS1. Now available for as low as 1,347 per month for 18 months. So get yours now sa pinakamalapit na Aerophone store and pay in easy installments via Home Credit. You can basically check the best Aerophone products and deals. I'll post it on the description box below. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.